Alright, welcome back everyone. I have a tool review today. This is Blue Point Hub Scrubber. Basically the purpose of this tool is to remove rust, corrosion on your wheel hub. You can use it after you resurface brake drums or rotors. My old coworker used to use a roll-lock disc. Every time, that's what we required at the shop, at our shop personally. Every time we resurfaced drums or rotors, we took the roll-lock disc and cleaned off the mating surfaces, and we actually kept a designated disc and a ratchet there to do that with, an electric one. So this tool cost me 45 bucks off the truck today, including tax. I'm fully aware that Amazon does sell a knockoff one of these, or another manufacturer, for half the price. I'm not sure how much, 21 or 22 bucks. I don't know how many of these pads you get. My kit came with 2. My tool truck driver said that we should get about 300 uses per pad. So I got 2 with mine. I'm not sure about Amazon.com's. The reason why I do think it is a different manufacturer besides the blue polished paint, I'll do a close-up right now. The reason why I think this one is different from Amazon's is, notice the knurling down here at the bottom. The one on Amazon does not have this knurling. So that's the only other difference I noticed, but these pads are interchangeable, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. 1/2-inch drive. Like I said, my old co-worker, he used the roll-lock disc. They work great. That was the requirement. They were a great thing. This is another addition to something like that. When I got off the truck, my tool came in a little baggie, a little instruction manual, hub scrubber with the pad, and 1 additional pad. Like I said, about 300 uses per pad. That's what he told me. This thing is best used with a 1/2-inch air impact wrench, or with an electric impact wrench. And use this in the forward motion only. Do not use it in reverse, otherwise the pad could come off. So I'll show you guys a little demonstration of this thing right now. As you can see, this did a fantastic job removing that rust, so this should help reduce lateral run out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.